Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs. So, we're doing it again. I don't know why, but we're doing it again. So, the one we got last time was, apparently we thought it was the hottest flavor, and for a long time it was the hottest flavor. But this one is 2 levels up.
Two times spicy.
It's literally 2 times spicy. The previous one we had was, sorry for the noise. The previous one we had was the hot chicken normal flavor ramen, which was 4,404 on the Scoville scale. I hope I'm saying that right.
Yeah, I think it's Scoville.
And then you get one that's hotter, which is the hot flavor ramen stew type. That's 4,705.
Yeah, we're just skipping that one completely.
This one, the 2 times spicy, is 8,808.
It's so much.
So let's just get to this torture.
Yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, time is here to open this. As usual, I'm prepared for this.
Nothing's burning yet.
Yeah. Well, same as previous. Here's the culprit, yes. Not here for us.
Death in a sachet.
Some spices, and obviously here's our ramen.
So I've been preheating the pot with a little water in. So we're just gonna chuck that in there and get this whole torture scene started.
Let's dunk it in.
Press it down.
Let's go in. Don't want to get my finger also in.
There we go.
Safety first.
And speeding it up again. Okay, so this is pretty much where we want it, I think. I hope. It's not gonna make it burn any less. So I'm just gonna drain some of this water, and then we're gonna add the sachet of hot poison.
You mean the sachet of doom. Okay, now it's the big moment.
I'm so looking forward to this.
I wish I could read Mandarin so I know what's actually on the packet.
Mandarin. Yes, that's the language.
I mean,
Yeah, I didn't think he actually looked at the packet at all. Like everything, focus, camera, focus, everything is literally in English. There's the ingredients if you guys want to pause and just pity our tongues for a moment. Once again, this is the decisiveness of it. It smells so good, but it definitely smells hotter than last.
yeah,
I can smell. I'm just putting on the extractor fan.
I was standing there, I could feel it on my throat.
Yeah, my nose is burning. How are we gonna eat this?
Carefully.
Yeah, we've put some milk and ice cream aside because we know. Not that it's gonna help, but we know.
Can prepare unlike last time.
Just look at this. It's like.
I'm sure you guys can smell.
Yeah, they should really get a smell feature on YouTube.
Smell-o-vision.
Not always, because like some of the people like yo.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now for the seasoning packet. Let's see if it's the same as last. This last like sesame seeds and something that looked like seaweed. Not that we tasted it at all.
Pretty much the same.
Yeah, pretty much the same stuff. So once again, like This is the most wasteful we are with food because we did so not finish it last time. We offered everyone a bit of it actually, and it was cooled down, so everyone's like, oh, it's not that bad. We don't do it again with this one. Okay, time to serve this up.
Our noodles is done. Let's add this inferno to let's add this inferno to our bowl.
It looks so good, but I haven't been this nervous about a video since we started. So we made an emergency station here with some milk and ice cream. Pretty sure it's still gonna burn a lot and it's gonna take like 15-20 minutes to go away. But at least the placebo's there.
Okay guys, it's now for the taste test, but before we do that, we have a challenge for you guys. Our challenge for next month, end of next month, we want to see if we can have at least 100 subscribers. So please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, it means a lot to us. And if we reach 100 subscribers by next month, we're gonna buy all of their ramen noodles. And
all of the Samyung ramen noodles. This is the hottest, I don't know, it's not gonna get worse, but at least you can see our reactions to each flavor and know if it's worth it or not. He can handle hot food.
Yes.
I can't. I get the occasional thing that I find delicious, but this is death hanging right here.
Are you ready for this?
No. Wait, I don't get like a smaller yet bigger bite. Every time I scoop, it's just like everything.
Okay.
We let it cool just a little bit because there's enough hot going on. We don't need everything. I'm gonna take this giant bite again.
Okay, here guys.
No, wait for it. Wait for it. I don't want this like on my chin and stuff.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Let's go. Oh!
I just swallowed everything.
Whew! God damn it!
No reaction here.
It was kind of tasty for like the first 0.3 seconds.
It's like burning down here, not even okay, it's in my mouth as well, but
It's definitely times 2.
honestly, like everything sucked like equally so far. Maybe because I took like 3 bites last time. I'm definitely not taking another bite. Like I'm done now.
Ice cream helps a lot.
I'm gonna get ice cream. Take a spoon.
Woo! Nice.
Oh, that just hurt my teeth now. Honestly, like the burn on my lips and my mouth I can handle. It's like the burn that goes down your throat.
It's on my tongue.
And the thing is, we've been looking at a lot of like hot challenges. I'm like drooling here. we've been looking at a lot of like hot food challenges, and this is like the baby of it. Like some of them I don't think you should be eating. Maybe I like misinterpreted like the amount of like burn that's going on here, but
I can't imagine a million of that.
I think like I can see why people like end up in the hospital for eating things that aren't too hot. Like
It's, the flavor is still there.
I want to put it on my lips. I tried so hard that it doesn't touch my lips. I think I like took this clean bite and my lips are burning more than anything. I put on like cinnamon lipstick or something. It's awesome. You know, an actual way of getting like fuller lips on. Eat some spicy ramen before you go out.
40 Rand Botox.
You're just like watching a video of us like whipping around. That was bad, but I kind of almost expected more.
Yeah.
Honestly, just because the first one burned a lot as well. This one's hanging around more, like...
It lingers more.
Yeah, the previous one, like, at this stage I already took like 2 more bites. This one, I can feel my nose is starting to like...
Yeah. We don't have a cold, it's just like this.
Yeah, we're healthy. We're just stupid, like insanely stupid. Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed that one.
Yeah,
the things we do for views.
Enjoy our suffering here. Guys, please drop us a comment below. What challenge can we do next, or what food we can create next?
Yeah, you know, something else that'll destroy all of my taste buds. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.